amazing day. So I am about to basically do what I told you guys that I was going to do in my previous video, which is put all of the old fall stuff together and the new fall stuff together. It's the next day. I didn't do it yesterday. So I'm going to clear off all this entire counter space over here, which you can't see right now, but I'm going to leave this the same because I really don't change this a whole lot. I'm going to take these flowers out and probably switch out the mugs, but for the most part, I am just going to change out everything else, clear off the island, and start with a blank canvas because I'm trying to figure out exactly what I want to do. I feel like I have a combination of spring, summer, and some of everything going on in here. So yeah, that's the purpose of this video, is to get everything in order. So I'm about to start straightening up this kitchen and do all of that. One thing I do want to show you guys are, so I am back to the whole backsplash thing. I have two of these. I really like this one and I like this one too. I think that a little bit wider will bring out my countertops more because they're just so complicated because they're so brown, my gosh. But I do like these two, so I am narrowing it down finally to get this done, you know. But like I said, I'm about to go ahead on and get everything together and start decorating for the fall, only in this kitchen area. It is a clean slate. I've taken everything off of all the countertops. Everything is gone. Oh, we need to remove these flowers. Now we have a clean slate. I'm leaving that lantern thing over there because that's not gonna change. I'm just gonna probably add some to that. And my coffee station isn't gonna change. I'm just gonna switch out my mugs with some fall and holiday mugs. But we have a clean slate. And now I am ready to start decorating for fall, guys. Yay! These are really pretty. Lanterns / faces. So I decided to run out to the Big Lots. So I just left Big Lots and they have some really cute fall decor in there. I actually didn't go in there for fall decor. I went in there to get something for one of my clients and I came out and found some stuff in there that they did have for fall. But so I'm gonna show you guys everything in a home decor haul. I was gonna just go ahead and do like a complete decorate with me situation, but I got a clean slate in the kitchen and everything, and I thought I was ready to decorate for fall. I think I'm ready to decorate for fall, but I think it'd be better if I do a haul video in between, just so that if you want to know where something in particular comes from, instead of watching it in like a whole long vlog type video, it's just directly there. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm about to go into Marshall's because I want to get a candle, and I'm looking for this black and white candle that has like that wood top. I need a candle that I want to go in my office, and I am finally filming that video. I know I'm into all this, gotten into all this fall stuff, and it's probably like, where the heck is the office video, you know what I mean? And some other stuff that I think I would love to hang it out there. But yeah, so if you need some other cute fall decor stuff, you can definitely go to Big Lots just came out of here, especially if you're into like farmhouse and modern farmhouse. They got you covered. So let's go in here. I feel like this video is all over the place today. I guess because it's like, all right, I started off earlier. I'm like, okay, we're gonna clean up and do a clean slate, and now I'm like, okay, well, I've gone out to the store, I found some more stuff. I feel like I should separate it out, and now we're not decorating in this video, but that video will be up next, okay? It will be up next. I went up in the attic and I have my bins, and so I'm going to show y'all what I am going to be using and what I'm not going to be using, because my style has changed just a little bit. It's not as rustic, so some stuff isn't going to go. And then I actually painted the kitchen, I think, after fall last year. So some of these colors, like the ivory, isn't going to go because I'm leaning more towards like white. But anyway, long story short, so this is the pink pumpkin. I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna use this. I still love this. Clearly it goes with this room. It also kind of goes with the kitchen too though, so that's gonna stay. I'm up in the air about this one. Anything that I use, anything that I'm not gonna use, I'm going to basically take it and post it on OfferUp, and yeah, sell them for like little or nothing, just to get rid of them before I try to go and buy pumpkins to replace it. But I think I'm good on the pumpkins. Still love this thankful sign, so I'm going to be using this again in the formal living room. Now I have this gourd which goes with this pumpkin that I have placed here. I think this is going to stay right there, but this was a set, and I used to keep it in the formal living room, but I think I'm going to put them in this room this year, so I am going to keep that. I still like this little pumpkin, not sure where it's going to go though, or where it can go, so I might end up selling this one on OfferUp. Ooh, what's all this? Oh, that's a pineapple. And then this is just, what is this? Oh, if y'all can see, this is that DIY that I did like 2 years ago. I don't think I'm using that this year at all. I might take it and rearrange it, but I don't have anything burlap anymore. Like, I'm not using burlap anymore. So that was 2 years ago. So I think I'm gonna basically package all that together and sell it, or I might take this to the Goodwill since it's just like a DIY. I don't know if I'm gonna sell it. But these other little pumpkins right here came from Michael's last year. I'm gonna use these, but I'm gonna spray paint the tip so that I can use them in the entryway area, I believe. So since I just bought these last year, I'm not gonna get rid of them. So I'm gonna keep that. I moved it out of the way. So the rest of that bin is gonna go away. This right here, oh my, I still love these. These came from Pier 1. Y'all remember when I got these, and the matching little owl. So I'm definitely still gonna use these this year. Love, love, love. Can't wait to put these out. They're gonna go up in the front room. I am not using any of this. I've had this for about 3-4 years now. And then inside of it, I just have some more pumpkins that I had last year. I'm not gonna use any of this, honestly. Whoa. These came from the Dollar Tree, and I spray painted them, so I might spray paint them again. It's a nice big pumpkin, so I could do a DIY on it and spray paint it and to use it or something like that. But for the most part, as of right now, it goes with absolutely nothing. I'm gonna show y'all the new color that I added in my Decorate With Me video that I'm gonna post. Okay, what else we got? And everything else is just like, what is this? Oh, it's my little clear pumpkin. Oh, I love this. I still love you. So yeah, you're gonna stay around. More burlap pumpkins. Not using these. We'll throw them in that bin over there. Oh, these two little silver ones. Yeah, I can still find somewhere to put these. Maybe right here. That might work. I kind of like that right there. And my other little pink pumpkin. So y'all, I got so many pumpkins. Like, I am not trying to go out and buy pumpkins. You guys will see, like, when I show you my new fall decor, it does not consist of pumpkins galore or anything like that, because I just have too many that I can work with. So I wanted to buy like other little things to kind of go along with it that I could keep out like all year round. So yeah, this one, super cute. I think this goes on my coffee station. Yeah, it's gonna go in the kitchen somewhere. On my hot cocoa station, we'll see. And the rest of these little Dollar Tree pumpkins, which probably will be going to the Goodwill, or I might spray paint them. I'm really thinking of spray painting some to go with the color that I added in the kitchen. So we shall see about that. The last pumpkin over here is this one right here, which is like pink clear. It's kind of see-through, acrylic-y. But I bought this at Home Goods last year. So this one is going to go in this room, because you guys know I have the blush pink theme going on in here. And I am not changing it. I am incorporating a new color, like I said. And even when Christmas time comes, it's all going to flow. So that is it on the pumpkins. But of course, this one is still my favorite. My favorite. And the little owl. Alright, so all these right here, I'm going to keep. All that over there is going to go to the Goodwill. Or either I'm going to try to post it on OfferUp. We will see. But for the most part, at least I've gotten this part done. So I'm going to decorate, and that'll be in a separate video. What else am I about to do? Because it's the next day. So, alright y'all. So my camera memory card got full earlier when I was talking to you guys over there on the floor, but I'm gonna go ahead on and end the vlog for the day right here, because I'm about to run out to Walmart to get some supplies for my craft room and some stuff for my Etsy boxes, which has nothing to do with fall decor. So I will see you all in the next video, which will more than likely be my fall decor haul, or either my decorate with me for fall, the kitchen area at least, and resume from there. So I hope you all enjoyed this video today, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. I love you all. Bye, daisies.